The Amsterdam Light Festival. Is it worth a visit? Let's find out. This year marks the 13th edition of the Amsterdam Light Festival, set along the enchanting canals of Amsterdam. Imagine a nighttime canal cruise in winter, surrounded by stunning illuminated sculptures. Sounds magical, doesn't it? This year's festival runs from November 28th, 2024 to January 19th, 2025. There are plenty of options to enjoy this unique experience. Choose a heated boat where you can sip wine and enjoy a meal, or opt for a private boat for a more intimate journey across Amsterdam's waters. Most cruises depart from Damrak, the stretch of water between Amsterdam Central Station and the Royal Palace on the Dam. The cruise lasts about 1 hour and 15 minutes, with daily departures between 4:45 p.m. and 10 p.m. Tickets start at approximately €20 per person. What will you see? The canals, which are already breathtaking, become even more picturesque. The water sparkles and shimmers with an added touch of magic. You'll glide beneath glowing sculptures and alongside moving light displays. Amidst this brilliance, you'll also take in the iconic Amsterdam canals and their historic houses, beautifully illuminated at night. An Amsterdam Light Festival cruise is a truly unique experience. Let the light show enchant you and see how it makes Amsterdam shine during the dark winter months.
Often cooked in large quantities. What sort of soup do you think will signify and unite all cultures in Amsterdam best? Part of edition 11 of Amsterdam Light Festival.
The journey typically begins at Damrak, heading towards the Nemo Science Museum. From there, it passes the Maritime Museum, showcasing a replica of a Dutch VOC ship, and continues to Haringgracht, the heart of the canal belt, or Grachtengordel in Dutch. The route then winds through Jordan before returning past Central Station to Damrak. This year's theme is Rituals, inviting visitors to reflect on the traditions that shape our lives. Who knows, perhaps visiting the festival will become your own yearly ritual. Beyond the festival, Amsterdam transforms into a festive wonderland. Christmas lights and decorations adorn the city. And until December 26th, the Christmas market at Museumplein offers a delightful experience with an ice skating rink and a charming Christmas village. Amsterdam's 750th anniversary is just around the corner. The celebrations began in October 2024 and will continue throughout 2025. The Amsterdam Light Festival is among the first events marking this historic year. It's the perfect time to explore Amsterdam's rich history, cultural influence, and timeless charm. In August 2025, the 10th edition of Sail Amsterdam will take place from the 20th to the 24th. First held in 1975 to celebrate Amsterdam's 700th anniversary, this year's event will commemorate both 750 years of Amsterdam and 50 years of Sail, a double celebration not to be missed. Amsterdam is a city for all seasons, each offering its own unique beauty. The light changes, and so does the view. But one thing remains constant: Amsterdam's ability to captivate and inspire. Don't miss the chance to experience this magical city during the Amsterdam Light Festival.
We hebben ook gezien dat rituelen heel menselijk zijn. Met hommages aan het schaatsen, het samen eten van maaltijd en het plezier van een eigen vermaak.
Is it a bright winter night? Or is it misty, cloudy? Whatever the conditions are on your current journey, the moon is up. Look, on the left side of the boat, there are 4 moons visible. It's the artwork. We hope we could connect with you through the ritual of this experience. This evening we saw how important nature is for rituals. From the awe-inspiring force of lightning and the power of the sun to the influence of the moon. Midsummer, the longest day of the year, is always connected to the solstice and of course associated with souring, sunny circumstances. But here on the Herengracht in wintertime, in the evening, the sun shines bright as well. Under the bridge in front of us, we see the Wings of Solstice by UK-based Studio Nautica. As we journey through the passage of light, you are bathing in the water. And how seasonal change and the blooming of flowers inspire different rituals. We also saw how rituals are deeply human, with homages to ice skating, sharing a meal, and the joy of aimlessly wandering around. And we saw how rhythm, repetition, and other movements have a profound effect on how we perceive the world around us. Finally, we hope that the light artworks we have seen tonight made you experience this 750-year-old city in a new and inspiring light. See you next year.